What are some good frankincense and myrrh diffuser blends? In this video, I'm going to be sharing 7 great diffuser blends with frankincense and myrrh coming up. Hey, what's up? Melinda here as the Oil Coach, bringing you tips, tricks, and ideas for using your essential oils so you can live healthier, happier lives. Now let's jump right into today's video. So our first diffuser blend is a blend called Warm Woods Walk. For this one, you're going to be putting 4 drops of myrrh, 3 drops of cedarwood, and 3 drops of frankincense in your diffuser. Our second diffuser blend is called Wise Man Gift, and it's simply 3 drops of frankincense and 3 drops of myrrh in your diffuser. Our third diffuser blend is called Holiday Blessings. For this one, you're going to be putting 2 drops of myrrh, 1 drop of Douglas fir, and 1 drop of frankincense in your diffuser. Now I have 4 more great recipes to share with you, but it's very important to point out that the quality of the essential oil that you're using is very important. We are obviously going to be breathing in these essential oils into our lungs, so we want to make sure that we are using only the purest, best quality essential oil that we have available to us. I really encourage you to research the purity of oils, and if you'd like to check out the oils that I personally use, or if you'd like to check out my masterclass where I touch on the purity of oils as well as the top 10 recommended oils, then check out the link in the description below. Okay, our fourth diffuser blend with frankincense and myrrh is a blend called Winter. For this one, you're going to be putting 3 drops of bergamot, 2 drops of cedarwood, 2 drops of frankincense, and 2 drops of myrrh essential oil in your diffuser. Our fifth diffuser recipe is called Sweet Manger. You're going to be putting 2 drops of frankincense, 2 drops of myrrh, and 1 drop of orange essential oil in your diffuser. Our sixth diffuser blend with frankincense and myrrh is called Oh Holy Night. You're going to be putting 3 drops of Douglas fir, 3 drops of frankincense, 3 drops of orange, and 2 drops of myrrh essential oil in your diffuser. And our seventh and final diffuser blend for this video is called Silent Night. This one is 3 drops of frankincense, 3 drops of myrrh, and 1 drop of sandalwood. Now I've linked up all of these oils below this video, so if you'd like to check them out some more, feel free to do so. Now if you're wondering what frankincense is even good for in a diffuser, click or tap the screen here to find out. And if you're wondering what some other uses for myrrh essential oil are, then click or tap the screen here. And I'll see you in the next video.